Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download Yandere simulator on your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I'm going to show you on how you can download Yandere simulator is through Steam. So if you want to know how you can do that, just continue watching this video. So the first thing that you need to do is to head into any browser that you are using. And after that, on the search bar, just simply type in Steam and then just simply click into the first result that you will be able to see, just like so. And after that, you should be able to see this on your screen. And what you need to do next is to in this search bar right here on the upper right part of your screen, just simply type in Yandere simulator. Just like this is wrong. Yandere simulator. Just like so, and then hit enter on your keyboard, and then you'll be able to see different results from your search, and then you can just simply select from the results. So I'm just going to click into the first one right here, and after that you can add this to your cart from the Steam. So you can go ahead and add that to your cart, and after that you will be able to see this option that purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. But I'm going to click on to purchase for myself. And then what you need to do next is to sign in into your account if you haven't already yet. So after signing into your account, just follow the on-screen prompts that you need to do. So you need to type in your information, what your payment method, just simply type in. So if you are using your credit card, your debit card, just simply select that in your payment method, and then again just fill in all the information that is needed for you to be able to download the Yandere simulator. And after that, after you've downloaded the game into your Steam, what you need to do is to head into the library, into your Steam app on your device, and then just simply click on it, and then you should be able to install and then play that on your PC, laptop, or any desktop that you're using. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.